recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Lesson number 12. Noun. Okay, please read this all the same. There are in the Pali 3 genders and 2 numbers: masculine, feminine and neuter, singular and plural. We have learned so far masculine nouns akaranta and ikaranta, but we have to practice by yourself ikaranta, ukaranta, ukaranta and okaranta. According to the feminine, we have also learned feminine nouns akaranta. Remember still remember? Okay. There are other feminine nouns you have to practice by yourself: ikaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta and okaranta. Today I am going to explain the nama napunsakalinga, neuter nouns. They also we can divide into akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, etc. Now today akaranta, phala meaning fruit. Phala meaning fruit. Every day adivasetu no bhante phalani parikappita. Phalani parikappita. Phala meaning fruit. But later can understand what is the meaning phalani. Okay. Now Patamaya Bhakti, Noita Akaranta. Okay, please recite the. Today a little bit too cool. Reduce the. Cool, too cool for me, hot for them. Okay, now Pali stem sounds. Okay, please recite Phala, Nayana, Dhana, Dana, Sila, Punya, Papa, Rupa, Sota, Ghana, Pita. Okay. Patama Vibhakti, singular and plural. Singular, phalang. Plural, phala, phalani. Fruits, phala, phalani. Phala, phalani. Example, Tutiya, the Patama, phalang vasudhayang atti. Meaning, there is fruit on the earth. Okay? Okay, please write down if you need. last 2 more days, no? Before last today. Yeah, come back. Very difficult to give answer. Okay. Palang phala phalani phalang vasudhayang atti. Vasudha meaning earth. Vasudha, earth. Okay, next. Phala dutiya. Phalang phale phala phalaniya. Here is a phalaniya. Phalang phale phalani. Not the phalayu, phalani. Phalang phale phalani. Phalang phale phalani. Palang pala palani, palam pale palani. The sentence ahang palang bunjisami. I will eat the fruit. Palani. A mistake. Okay. Next one. Already? Okay. Next. Tatiya phalena phalebi phalehi. With the fruit, with the fruits. Kanya kulena saha aranyang gacchati. Kanya meaning the girl, no? The girl. Gacchati meaning goes. Aranya meaning aranya, to to the forest. Aranya. To the forest. Kulena saha. Saha meaning with. Kula meaning family. Kula meaning family. You see, check. The girl goes to the forest with the family. Okay. Next one. Karana. Sotena, sotebi, sotehi. Sota meaning ear. Mayang sotehi sunama. Meaning, mayang meaning? Huh? Sunama. Sotehi. With the ears. Very good. Okay. Next. Chatutti. Palaya, palassa, palanang. Vanita kulassa suwannang dadati. Suwannam meaning gold. Gold. We are wearing the gold. G-O-L-D, gold. Kulassa to family. The woman gives the gold to the family. Sorry. To her family, so can. To her family. Okay. Okay. Next. Panchami. Phala, Palamha, Palasma, Palevi, Palehi. Vanita, Kulamha, Mulang, Ganhati. Meaning, the woman takes the money from the family. Okay. Chatti. Palassa, Palana. Setti, Mama, Kulassa, Dhanang, Dadati. Meaning, Dadati, give. Setti, Dhanang. Hmm? Understand? Oh. Okay? Too late. Traffic jam? On the way, traffic jam. Okay? Already? Satami. Phale palamhi palasming phalesu. Sentence. Twang hadaye rupang pasisasi. Something? Material. Oh, form. In the heart. Do you have Hadaya? Yeah? Oh. Heart base. You will see the form in your heart base. Heart. Hadaya meaning heart. Hadaya Vattu meaning heart base. Meaning Hadaya. Okay? This Noita Akaranta sound compared to the masculine Akaranta, only different Patama and Dutiya. Other all rest all are same. Yeah, very easy. Not easy? Yes. Yes. Oh, sure? Oh, wonderful, very good. I am very happy. Because 6 hours meaning continuous wholesome activities. 6 hours, no? If you not do this thing, if you not do the homeworks within the 6 hours, so many unwholesome activities arise in your mind, no? This is a good kusala, good service, good practice. At least you have to increase the time. Maybe 10 hours is okay. This meaning you can get the 10 hours wholesome activities. But on the way, don't get angry, huh? Okay? Alapana. Kula, 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 kulani. Bho kula phalang ganhatu. Dear family, please take the fruit. Very good, no? 6 hours, no? Very good. When I was studying, at that time, sometimes more than 8 hours, continuously doing. Continuously do the. Very good. Very good, very good. Because I don't know before. Tomorrow on the last lesson, no? But just now she told, no? If I know the earlier, sure I will give. I don't know anything. Yeah, this is, uh? No. Everybody must do the exercise. Everybody must do. If you have the more exercise, you have the more benefit. You can get the more benefit. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Okay. This is a declension noita akaranta nouns. This is suffix. Okay. Please decide. What is the meaning Chaitya? Shrine, pagoda is a Chaitya. Pagoda is a Chaitya. Okay, recite. Sukha meaning happy, no? Okay. Okay, please. Meaning? With the my family also can, no? Okay. Next one. Oh, meaning like war, no? Next one. Meaning Pali. Oppress meaning. Yes, good. Pileti, the suffering. Dukkhang, by wisdom. Very good. Panyaya. Jnanena. Dukkhang pileti. Very good. Panyaya also can. Jnanena also can. No? Next one. The girls. Kanya or Kanyayo walk Charanti to the shrine. Chetiyang with the families. Kule he or Kule be. Okay. Next one. Gahapati Puppang Dadati. Puppa meaning flower. Flower. Next one. Meaning next one. Meaning brings. Aharati, the umbrella. Do you have umbrella? How to say Pali umbrella? Chatta, chattang. For the family, chattang. Okay. Kanya kulaya kulassa chattang aharati. Okay. Chattam meaning umbrella. Next one. Okay, plural sentence. How to translate to Pali? Kanya, kanya, kanyayo. Aharanti plural, no? Chatta or chattani. For the families. Kula. For the family. Kulanang. Always try to think. Example, masculine or feminine or neuter. Any time 4 and 2 or of. The plural always lone none. Remind none. And always Tatiya Karana Panchami plural. Always A B A he. Everywhere. Very easy to, yeah, A, B, A, he, everywhere, okay? And Dutiya Ekavachana always Kanyang, Purisang, Phalang, always And Sattami plural everywhere Su. Vanitasu, Purisesu, Palesu, like this, Su. Okay, this one. Kanya Kanyayo, Pulanang, Chatte, Chattani, Aharanti. Next one. Sopana. Sopana meaning? Sopana meaning? The poet comes down from the stair. Sopana, stair. Plural? Meaning? Stair. Okay. This one? How to say Pali? Agachati, one girl. Aranyao, Aranyamhao, Aranyasma. Okay. Next one already here. No need to explain. The girls come from the forest. Yes, yes, okay. Kanyayo Aranyehi Agachanti. Very good. This one? Susana, meaning? Did you see Susana yesterday? Did you see Susana yesterday? Susana? You check what is the meaning Susana? Susana meaning? Did you see? No? Have you seen? Yes, okay. Yes, the modern, no? Before same. This is the modern way, different. Before just die, just throw to the forest or to the river. This is cemetery. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. No, animals eat. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Destroy. Okay. Okay. Next one. Have you been Pak Toya? Maybe already remember the cemetery? in the Pau? In the upper lower monastery? Behind the, beside the road, no? Ah. Huh? Hiya. In Pau, never see. Oh, because never see meaning they. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Next one, Chatti. Meaning? The friend meaning mitta, mitto of the family, kulassa mitto. The shine, chetiyang, builds, karoti, builders. Okay. Next one. Kulanang mitta chetiye o chetiyani karonti. Okay? Understand? No understand? Sattami. Kanya vane ahindati. Vane meaning? Vana. Jetavana. Grow also can. Forest also can. The girl wandered the forest. Vani. Garden also can. Park also can. And grow also can. Grow. Jeta. This means the Vana means little forest, not the big. Aranya means very big and wild. They have the big tree, Aranya. We have the very big tree. Very far from the village. Cannot listen the human sound. This is Aranya, real Aranya. Yeah. Okay. Next one. The girls wander in the forest. Okay. This one? Oh, very good. Maybe she is practicing meditation, no? Meaning? This means she is practicing meditation. Next one. Vanita o vanitayo aranyesu viharanti. Viharanti. Ramaniyani aranyani. Aranyani meaning plural, forest. Ramaniyani meaning beautiful. Ramaniya, beautiful. Can say beautiful. Beautiful forest. Okay? Alapana. Bho. I think the cooler, this is the printing mistake, cooler. Bho cooler, chetiyang gacchatu. Dear family, please go to the shrine or pagoda to see the pagoda. Okay? Cooler. Yeah, this mystic. Next one. Kanyani Chetiyani Gachantu. This is a Kanyani, the dear girls. Yeah, but mystic. Yes, yes, girls. Dear girls, please go to the shining room. Okay. Dear family, please take the lotus. What's the lotus? Now, don't have here any lotus. Okay. The kula padumang ganhatu. Padum meaning lotus. Any kind of lotus, any kind of, we can say lotus paduma. They're the blue color, so the white color and pink color, the two color, no? Paduma. Dear family, please take the lotuses. Bhavanto kulani padume ganhantu. Ahang padumang pujemi. I offer the lotus. Ahang paduma puppang pujemi. Paduma puppang, I offer lotus flower. Aham padumang pujemi, I offer lotus. Ahang paduma puppang pujemi, I offer lotus flower. I offer a lotus flower. Okay. Two nouns we can join together. Padumang, lotus. Paduma puppang, lotus flower. Okay. Okay. Okay, take. Did you receive the some nouns? 3. Yeah, very good. Masculine. First, I want to check all the notes. Masculine stem ending in a. Akaranta nara. Now you can see we already practiced before. Then the following nouns also have. Now very easy to memorize. On the way you can bring, on the bus also you can recite. Anywhere you can practice. Very good, no? This is a very good meditation object. Okay. Ikaranta, aggi, fire. Then similar following nouns also have. Okay. Next one, ikaranta pakki. I not yet teach, but you can understand quite similar to before. All are the nouns similar. Pakki, pakki, pakkino. Pakkinang, pakkinang, pakking, pakki, pakkino. Pakkina, pakki, pakki. Pakkino, pakkissa, pakkina. Pakkina, pakkimma, pakkisma. Pakki, pakki. Pakkino, pakkissa, pakkina. Pakkini, pakkimi, pakkismin, pakkisu. Pakki, pakki, pakkino. Okay. The following the nouns also have. Hatti, sami, kutti, dati, bogi. Okay. Papakari, setti, kari, sikhi, sasi, sarati, bhagi, Manti, Digajivi, Sukhi, Bali, Chatti, Mali, Gani. Before we study Bali. Bali meaning offering items. Bali meaning who has power. Who has power? The lone Bali. The short Bali, offering thing. Bali, the powerful person. Okay, Bali and Bali different, na? Okay. Yeah, very powerful Bali. Yes, we can say Bali. Next one, Ukaranta. Garu, Garu, Garavo. Garung, Garu, Garavo. Garuna, Garubi, Garohi. Garuno, Garusa, Garuna. Garuna, Garuma, Garusma, Garobi, Garohi. Garuno, Garusa, Garuna. Garumi, Garusmin, Garusu. Garu, Garu, Garavu. Garu meaning teacher. Teacher. Bhikkhu, monk. Bandhu, Bhikkhu, Bandhu. Taru, Bahu, Sindhu. Parasu, Pasu, Aku, Uchu, Velu, Katachu, Sattu, Setu, Ketu, Sasu. The similar. Sorry, Susu. Susu meaning younger one. Younger. Why? Susu. Susu. Okay. Okay. Ukaranta. Vidu, Viduno. Vidung, Viduno. Viduna, Vidubi, Viduhi. Viduno, Vidusa, Viduna. Viduna, Vidumha, Vidusma, Vidubi, Viduhi. Vidusa, Viduno, Viduna. Vidumhi, Vidusming, Vidusu. Vidu, Viduno. Vidu meaning wise man or knower. The following nouns: Pabhu, Sabbanyu, Attanyu, Vadanyu, Vinyu, Mattanyu. Okay. Next one. Okay, last one, na? Huh? Sorry. Don't have okay. Okay. Feminine. Akaranta Vanita, woman. Okay. Number 2 feminine. Then we already practiced before, and the following nouns quite many. Kanya, Ganga, Nava, Amma, Disa, Sena, Sala, Bharya, Vasuda, Vacha, Sabha, okay, Darika, Lata, Katha, Panya, Valava, Lanka, Pipasa, Huda, Nidda, Puja, Giva, Juha, Nasa, Guha, Chaya, Tula, Sila, Valuka, Manjusa, Mala, Sura, Visikha, Sakha, Sakkara, Devata, Dola, Godha, Parissa. Okay. Next one. This is a 3-month homework. Yes. You have, because now when I meet next time, it is very easy to reach me, because now all I already passed earlier. Now you have to spend 8 hours every day. Okay, not enough 6 hours. Okay. Okay. Ikaranta. Bhumi, Bhumi, Bhumiyo. Bhuming, Bhumi, Bhumiyo. Okay, etc. The following nouns: Ratti. Ratti meaning night. Atavi, forest. Or another new word, Atavi. Doni. Asani. Asani meaning thunderbolt. Thunder, Asani. Yeah. Kitti. Kitti meaning fame, famous. Yuvati. Sati. Mati. Kanti. Why? Mati, huh? Meli, Mati. Mati, Mati, wisdom. Kanti. Anguli. Patti. Vutti. Vutti. Yatti. Nali. Dundubi. Duli. Vuddhi. Sometimes, according to the nouns, some nouns we can see the masculine side and neutral sound, the feminine sound. Both are the sound is same, but they use the two gender. Example na yatti, no? Yatti meaning working stick. Before we study yatti, no? Masculine, under the masculine, no? There's some nouns have, but they use the both gender sometime. Okay? Don't worry. Same. Next one, Ikarant. Kumari. Kumari meaning girl. Similar nouns, Nari, Taruni, Rajini, Itti, Saki, Bagini, Dasi, Kukkuti, Kaki, Nadi, Migi, Sihi, Vapi, Pokkarani, Kadali, Gavi, Hattini, Brahmani, Sakuni, Mahi, Devi. Now you can see Nara meaning man, Nari. The masculine nouns change to the feminine. Nara, man. Nari. Taruna meaning young man. Taruna. Taruni, young woman. Now, Rajini. Raja meaning Raja king. Rajini, queen. Itti, woman. Okay. Now, yeah, Saki meaning Saka. Saka meaning the man friend. Sakayo. The different way. Yeah? Now, Bhagini, sister. Bhata meaning brother. Bhata, brother. Dasi. Dasa. Kukkuti. Kukkuto meaning chicken. Kukkuto. Kaki meaning sea-crow. Kako, kaka. This is the crow, the male crow. Nadi is river. Don't have nada. Ganga also river. Nadi also river. River, old river. Migi, deer. Miga. Sihi, lion. Siha, very good. Vapi, put tank. Okay. This is no any. You see the according to the only the living beings we can see the feminine and this thing. No, only living being. No, yeah, living being we can say the feminine and the masculine. Only we can say, but the Pokarni, the pond don't have the man pond, woman pond. No, do you have? Have in Singapore? I don't know. I never see. Never heard. Huh? Huh? Okay. Kadali meaning banana, no? Banana, kadali. But don't have the man banana. Woman banana. Don't have, no? Have? Okay. Gavi meaning cow, female cow. Go meaning go, ox. Go. Okay. Now next one, Hattini. Hattini meaning hatti. Brahmani. Brahmana. Sakuni. Sakuna. Mahi. Two meaning. Mahi meaning earth also Mahi. The one of the river in India, Mahi. They have the five longest five rivers. They have the five rivers in India: Ganga, Yamuna, Sarambu, Achiravati, Mahi. The five Ganga. We call Panchaganga. Okay. Devi meaning queen and Devo, no? Okay. Ukarant Denu. Same Denu yo. Denu yo. Then Yagu meaning porridge. Yeah, porridge. Now you can, if you want to offer to Buddha only porridge, you can say Adivasetu no bante Yagum. Also can Yagum parikapitam. So the similar words Tarala. Tarala also porridge. Tarala. 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 Tarala also porridge. Yagu, okay. Kasu meaning pit. Vijju meaning light. Rajju, rope. Daddu, eczema meaning someone rash. Kachu meaning, what's kachu meaning? Kaneru. Yeah, because this is one kind of the female elephant's name, Kaneru. That's why they give the special name Kaneru. Huh? Dhatu, Sassu. Sassu is a mother-in-law, no? Do you have mother-in-law, no? Huh? Okay. Ukarant Vadu. Huh? But we not put the similar nouns. Maybe later we will find. Later. Okay. Next one. The Noiter nouns. Akaranta phala. Okay. Quite many following nouns. Dana, Nayana, Dana, Vatta, Kula, Kula, Kula. Kula and Kula. Kula meaning bank. Bank of the river, bank of the ocean. Kula. Okay. Ikaranta. Atti, Atti, Attini. Atti meaning born. Okay. The same way. Vari, Akki, Sappi, Dadi, Achi, Ukaranta, Chakku. Chakku, Chakku, Chakkuni. Chakkun, Chakku, Chakkuni. Ayu. Next one. Danu. Madhu. Madhuka, Madhuka. Rasa Madhu. Madhura, Rasa. Rasa Madhu, no? Mele, Madhu. Madhu also mele, no? Madhu, Madhu. Madhu, honey, no? Yeah. Yeah. N-E-Y, yeah. N-E-Y, yeah. Asu. N-E-Y, Madhu, Madhu. Y. Yeah, Y. Asu meaning tear. Tipu, lid. Daru. Ambu. Vasu. Janu, Jannu. Vapu. Vattu. Jatu. Okay. Tipu. Yes. Pencil lip. Okay. Huh? Sorry? Huh? Oh, Vapu. Yeah, is same. Vapu. Huh? Jatu, jatu. Wax, no, white color. Wax. Eh? Ceiling. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Jatu, 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 jatu means. Jatu, jatu. Jatu means, I know Sinhalese word, I don't know, I check English. Jatu. Yeah, sailing was. Was. Sailing, west, sailing west. Vex. Yeah, WAX, Vex. VAX, Vex. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Vex. Okay, you have to practice, huh? Mm. Okay, have 10 minutes, we can check our lesson, homework. Page number 20. Okay, because somebody spent the many hours, no? We have to explain. It is very good. Okay. Mm. Okay, please check, recite, please read the meaning. Vanijayo vanijassa mama o mayang manayo vikkining. Okay, next one. First English. Okay. Kone. Oh, dadimha. Oh, adadimha. Mayang dasanang amhe gone dadimha. Because we know. Oh, dadimho adadimha. Next one. Meaning Tuang Maya Asing Kino. Asing Kino. Asing Kino. Next one. Meaning? Okay. This is the you. Yeah, but your hands. Sound like you can say. Okay. Anyway, tumhe. Okay. Okay, pani bhi. but your hand तुम्हें भी पानी ही oh okay तुम्हें पानी ही also can तुम्हें पानी ही और पानी भी okay monkeys kapayo don't beat न पहारत पहारत न पहारत next one meaning girimha sihang ahari ahari next one Tava dhammang desesi next one meaning okay dadim ho adadim hai next one meaning our paddy our meaning which vibhakti which vibhakti chatti or chatuthi or dutiya huh this paddy belongs to whom our at that time chatti chatti bahuvachan hai ayya what is chatti bahuvachan hai check huh? No Fadi belongs to the our mean how to English Pali our no before the amhe ron amhang o amhakang amhe can amhang o amhakang because chatti bahuvachan hai amma pronouns chatti bahuvachan or chatti bahuvachan hai chatti bahuvachan amhang amhakang no this meaning amhang vihing or amhakang vihing haringsu okay next one meaning twang udading na na gaccho na gaccho next one there are no gems in my fist meaning mayang muttimhi manayo natti mayang muttimi manayo natti. Okay. Next in tomorrow. Okay. Next in tomorrow. Okay. Sadhu sadhu sadhu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Sadhu sadhu sadhu.